Okay then, part B of question 7, the binomial expansion of 1 plus x over 4 to the n. The coefficient of x squared is 5 times the coefficient of x. Given that n is positive, find the value of n. So let's have a go at that. I've written the essence of the question here. So we better start expanding this. 1 plus x over 4 to the n. We just need to write down a few terms. It will be 1 plus n lots of x, and that's x over 4 using the binomial expansion, plus n minus 1 over 2 times the x squared, x over 4 squared, plus, and it carries on like that. That's all we need, because it says the coefficient of x squared, which is this, over 16, isn't it? That's the coefficient. So let me just circle off the coefficient. It's the number of x squareds. So it's going to include, when you expand the bracket, the 4 when it's expanded, so to speak. And here the coefficient of x is going to be that, isn't it? Okay, so bear that in mind then when we write down the next line. So here, what have we got? The coefficient of x squared is 5 times the coefficient of x. So it'd be n minus 1 over 2. Now you're also going to have a 16 because it's 4 squared, which is 16, so it's underneath, so I'll put it there, is equal to 5 times the coefficient of x, which is n over 4. Now we can simplify, because one of those, the 4 and the 16, there's a 4 common, so I can put just a 4 here now and get rid of that 4. And then this 8, now we've got 8 here, I'm going to move that up to be with the 5 on the next line, just to make life a bit easier and write it in one fell swoop. So on the left, I'm going to expand the bracket on top. So n squared minus n is here, equals, and I'm going to move that 8 up to be with the 5, and write 8 5s are 40, lots of n. So let's just pull things over to the left. N squared, move that over, you get minus 40n, minus 1n that's already there is minus 41n. Pull out an n minus, because it's common, 41 equals 0. So that implies n equals 0, n equals 41, isn't it? Those are the two possible solutions. We're told that n is positive. Since n is positive, we see that n equals 41. There we go. It's the expansion of to the power 41, which is quite something, isn't it? That we've just worked out there. There's the answer for the question. Good.